This is an emergency broadcast from the National Creme Emergency Management Agency. At approximately 2:37 p.m., reports began flooding in of a mysterious green goo seeping into the city streets from an unknown source. The goo is spreading rapidly, consuming roads, buildings, and even our beloved Creme egg citizens. Known effects of the goo: causes rapid melting of chocolate exteriors, weakens sugar shell integrity, alters fondant consistency, making it unstable, emits a faint but ominous smell of artificial lime. All Creme egg citizens are advised to evacuate immediately to the nearest refrigeration shelter. Do not attempt to interact with the green goo. Do not attempt to taste the green goo. Authorities are working to determine the origin of the leak. Some reports indicate it may have breached from beneath the chocolate reservoir, but this remains unconfirmed. If you are melting or notice others around you melting, remain calm and roll toward the designated cooling zones. Emergency marshmallow foam units are en route. Alert, Creme egg mutation detected. Alert, Creme egg mutation detected. Alert, Creme egg mutation detected. This is an escalation of the ongoing green goo crisis. Scientists have confirmed that prolonged exposure to the substance is causing affected creme egg fresh eggs to mutate into scream eggs, hostile, zombified versions of their former selves. Characteristics of scream seeds: glowing green, fondant leaking from cracks, erratic rolling behavior and aggressive wobbling, eerie high-pitched screeching, uncontrollable urge to spread the goo to unaffected citizens. Immediate action required. Do not engage with scremes fires. Avoid all green goo. Exposure may trigger transformation. Shelter in refrigerated zones. Screamed sim eggs are less active in the cold. Emergency marshmallow foam units are en route to contain the outbreak. If you or a loved one begins to exhibit symptoms of transformation, report to a containment station immediately. Authorities are working to identify the source of the infection. It is now believed to be intentional, and a full investigation is underway. This is a citywide emergency. Remain calm and stay tuned for further instructions. Oh no, they're trying to break in. Oh crap, stay the hell away from me, you goof brains.
This is a special report from the Creme Emergency Network. We regret to inform you that Goo Television has been completely overrun by screm eggs. In our last transmissions, you can hear the studios being violently broken into. We have permission to play it. Viewer discretion is advised.
Oh crap, stay the hell away from me, you goof brains.
But that is not the worst of it. We have just received confirmation that Cremeville has fallen. The evacuation failed, no survivors have been reported. The city is now completely overrun. The Screm eggs, they are spreading, and they are getting faster. This network will continue to broadcast for as long as we can. Stay cold, stay safe. More updates to come. We apologize for the interruption. It appears the Screm eggs have briefly hijacked our signal. If you saw anything strange, you are not imagining it. But also, if you are receiving this broadcast, you are among the last safe Creme eggs. Goo Television has been lost, Cremeville has fallen, and now we must confirm the worst. New York City has been overrun. The Screm eggs have taken control of the entire metropolitan area. We do not know how many, if any, have survived. The infestation is spreading at an unprecedented rate. We urge all remaining Creme eggs to remain in cold storage. Do not attempt to flee through the streets. Do not open your doors for anyone. For now, we will switch over to Goo News.
Goo goo. Goo 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 goo.
This is Choco Shield News. If you're hearing this, we're the last ones left. The Creme emergency network is gone. The Screm eggs breached their final broadcast station late last night. Their final transmission ended in violent screaming and flesh-eating. We have no reason to believe anyone there survived. But sure, we must also report something far worse. Many of our own have chosen to end themselves rather than face what's coming. We understand the fear, the helplessness, the world we knew is gone. But if you're listening, if you're still here, please stay with us. We have to keep fighting. We are still looking for safe zones. If there is a way out. We don't know how they're doing this, but do not believe their lies. We must keep going. For now, this is Choco Shield News, signing off. Stay cold, stay safe.
Please let us in, we're begging you.
Come on, please.
All right, fine. Wait a minute. You're the people from Goo Television and CEN. I thought you were dead.
Nope, we're right here.
How did you survive the Screm eggs?
After the signal cut out, I saw a frying pan. So anyway, I got the frying pan and whacked those Scream eggs like there's no tomorrow.
My story was similar, except it was a metal bar. Who the hell would bring a metal bar into a TV studio?
Yeah, that is weird. But I'm just glad you two survived the Screm eggs.
Honestly, I'm really exhausted. After all that running, you all are more than welcome to join me in the break room.
goo.